How's it going? So just a note on the Webpack, right? When you create CSS loaders, I'm talking about SASS, yes, CSS, right? And when you compile, they do not create a CSS file inside the distribution folder. What they do is they add information and mapping into the main.js. Okay, so I'll give an example of this. So we have, let's say, in our source folder, we have styles, which is a SCSS, right? We change this to green. Okay. And now we're going to compile. Okay. So now you do not see CSS file in here at all. What happened instead that in main.js update has happened, so all the rules for the CSS have been added in here, right? So all you have to do is just import it into your source file, which is well, not source file, but entry file, right? And then your entry file is gonna be what's gonna be left in the final result file, which is the main.js. Okay. Bottom line, what I'm trying to say is very simple. Webpack does not create a CSS file. Instead, it just adds all the CSS rules into the main.js, which is the JavaScript file, and that's it. But you can see that it's working because if we just run this in live server, I'm talking about the INDEX.JS from the distribution folder, right? You will see that it has worked. Okay, so we know that CSS has been successfully loaded into the HTML, even though you see there's no HTML, there's no CSS in here at all. Instead, the CSS is being read from the JavaScript file. Okay, take care, everybody.